All right, y'all, so we just got back from JD Sport. Shout out to JD Sport. We had another early look, and before I show y'all these sneakers, quality looks good on these shoes, you know what I'm saying, as far as material. But man, it wasn't until I started doing the playback on this video, these things got a lot of glue stains on them, man. And I didn't want to do a video without actually pointing that out before y'all actually see this shoe. As you guys can see on the screen, we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 9 Flints that's going to be dropping this weekend. I'm going to give you guys an early detailed look of these things. Again, shout out to my people at JD Sport. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I'm going to have a ton more early looks for you guys, but I wouldn't feel right without coming on here before I show y'all these shoes and let y'all know that the pair that we're looking at least had those things on it. Doesn't mean all of them gonna have them. Now y'all enjoy this early look, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Here is your early look of the Air Jordan Flint. Let's go. Real quick, got another early look for y'all. Got the Jordan 9 right here. These are the Flints, Flint 9. Y'all see the box, where the size tag. Size tag right here. This is gonna be a size 8. Yeah, go ahead, hold on. Let me see that focus right there. If you need to pause the video, legit check your pair, go ahead and do it. Shout out to my people, JD Sport, in the building for this look. Take off this, you know what I'm saying, QC sticker right there. Y'all see it. Man, these right here, bro, these fire. These are fire. I don't think y'all gonna respect these enough. Globe Jumpman in blue on the back, 23. Material is really nice on these, bro. Mini Jumpman logo in that Flint blue. Air Jordan on the tongue. Got the gray laces. I don't think no other laces do come with these. As you guys can see right here, got the bottom. Iconic Jordan 9 bottom, man. Iconic, bro. Inside of them right here, super clean material. Is really nice on your sneaker. Man, I like this pair, man. I think this is gonna be a pair that actually might sit around. I think it's gonna be really depend on stock numbers if this shoe gonna go or not. But aesthetically, fire sneaker, y'all. Look at that, bro. How can you not like this sneaker, bro? Fire sneaker, bro. The other one is here. They don't have this one wrapped crazy, so you can actually see the other one. Here go the other one right here. As you guys can see, super clean sneaker.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Sneaker, man. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. This is something y'all gonna be messing with. Y'all gonna cop it, drop it, let me know. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Right, like that was hype. Everything we're talking about, including these 9s, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.